I'm Callum McDermid. I'm the owner and founder of McDermids Supply Company Limited. Founded the company on the 1st of November 2002, myself and my late sister. We've seen continued steady growth from then. We're in our 20th year this year and it's went past very quickly. I think being a family-owned business, we like to interact with our customers. I'm Dumfries born and bred. I've worked here all my life. I know probably 75–80% of my customers' names that walk through that door. I know their first names. We've had quite a long and successful relationship with Toolsaver. I think probably one of the biggest things that has helped us is the access to the wide range of product, and of course they've got a very, very efficient delivery service. We know the guys there as well. We've got a relationship with them, and if we're needing something out of the ordinary, they'll literally bend over backwards to help us. You know, they're there, they're reliable, they're dependable. They've got a good range of product that the customers want. So it's really all round. It's a great service and helps me sell the product, which benefits you guys. McDermids Supply Company and Toolsaver combined can offer a fantastic range of products at a fantastic price, but still give that quality service. That's what it's all about, building the relationships and giving them the service. McDermids Supply Company, we're at 13 Greystone Crescent in Dumfries. We're at St Mary's Industrial Estate in Dumfries, and within the next 2 months we're on Kingston Broadway in Carlisle. Our website is www.mcdermidsupply.co.uk.